Hi everyone, welcome back to another Minty video, and today we are going to be looking into the Binbok T3 VR Headstrap for Quest 3. So this is only the T3, the standard one, and not the Plus, because with the Plus version you get an extra battery life. But for the standard version you will only have, or you will only get a one battery pack included. What's inside the box is you'll get the VR head strap itself, and it does comes with the rear head brace, and then it comes with the the leather head strap that you put on top, and a portable battery, so you can use your VR much longer. So that's basically it. That's basically what comes inside the box. It's one, two, the VR head strap, and then three, the rear head brace, and then four, the leather head strap above this. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to install this one. So since we have our Quest 3 right here, I already removed the default stock, so it looks like this. Also, I have a AMVR interface right here. Future video will be coming up for this, so stay tuned and please subscribe if you guys still wanna see that video. So to install the VR head strap, what you will want to do is, okay, let's extend this out. Let's extend these. Okay. What you will want to do is start from the front end. If you're installing the new head strap, you start from the front end to the back end. So start from the front end there, and then snap at the back end. Snap it. Put a little bit of force. It should snap, like you will hear it. There. And then on the other side, start from the front. Now it will look like this. For the leather head strap above, you will want to remove the facial interface for your Quest before installing this one, because in my experience, if you have the facial interface when installing this one, it's a bit harder. It will make things easier if you just remove it. So yeah, for the leather head strap on top, you just take the longer end here and then put it at the front. Keep pushing until you get a little nudge here, little edge there. Okay, now to connect the back end, grab the smaller part and then just slide it in. There you have it. Now, a good feature about the battery that I just learned is that if you don't have to use the battery, you can just like flip it where there's no golden, or the golden pins are, so it won't drain the battery, so it won't use it. Just like this. See this has the golden plates, and then this one doesn't have it. I'll place it there, and then yeah, the battery won't start or open. But if you place it, like if you flip it over and then align the golden plates to the golden pins, it will turn on So it's a neat feature. So if you don't have to use the battery, just flip it over, and you won't be able to you won't be draining the battery. So yeah, guys, that's it. So here is the Binbok T3 standard. So if you guys would like to get one, I have a link down the description below. And yeah, stay tuned for our AMVR interface review. I will show you guys how to install it too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.